Alright, what is going on, guys? So, I got some more videos for you guys coming. I don't even know what video I'm doing today, actually. I got notes. Let me put this in the beginning of the video because no one comments on my videos what I should do. So, like, if you guys want to see more stuff about my car, comment now. Because on my vlogs and every other video, I get a lot of comments saying, oh, do more 535 vids. Give me comments what you guys want to see, because I don't know what to do with my car. A lot of people want to see the new turbo. Well, I have the new turbo, but a lot of people want to like see how it's running, see how it's doing. I think that's what we're gonna do today. Let's just nail this fucking Beamer, bro.
You did half a fucking dash in 45. You did practically double the speed.
They don't know it's a 45.
They do now.
Put my blinker on so it looks like I know what I'm doing. No. Hi. Dude, this is so high tide. Look, the water's literally up. Oh my God, I almost broke my leg. Dude, there's fish on the floor. That's how bad the water high level came up. All right, what video are we doing? I already forgot. Dude, I haven't made a YouTube video in so long. Views. You see this? I just drove all the way to Georgia to shoot this video. So, I got my turbo, I think like February-ish, I wanna say, and looks great. Car's running super healthy. I did carbon cleaning, I did intercooler at the same time. Can't see the intercooler because on the 535, the intercooler goes behind the radiator, which is super retarded because you can't flex that you're a fast boy and stuff. I think a lot of people want to see pulls, a lot of people want to see dyno pulls, how much power I'm pushing. BMWs blow up on a dyno, so that's not happening. We'll go do some pulls after. So I'm gonna give you guys some like mods and stuff that I did. So we're full bolt on. All right, K&N air intake, all the same. Doesn't matter if you spend 300 or 600, they're all gonna do the same thing. Do you agree on that?
Yes.
No matter how much.
You can't get eBay though.
Okay, like don't get a $30 air intake, but a K&N, pretty good. They're very known. Or APR, like, what are some other ones?
That's K&N, right?
Yeah, that's K&N. There's some other ones. But they all do the same. I've never met anyone that says, oh, their intake gives them more horsepower than what another one does. Like, no. I'm just saying, like, based on my car, if I put a different air filter, I don't think you're gonna get any more power than what another one does. Unless maybe it's just a ginormous fucking air intake. Yeah, like, unless you're just retarded with it. Other than that, no. Second, we have a charge pipe from Evolution Raceworks. When I first got it, I blew it off going racing an M3. Intercooler, which you can't see, unfortunately. Oh, intercooler is from VRSF. Is that a? VSFR. Yeah, thank you. VSFR.
I'm not even a Beamer boy.
Yeah, that's pretty sad. Okay, VSFR, Versaf Racing. Also, I'll put all the links down below in the description if you want to check all of these out. All right, tune is a Active Auto Works, actually based in Miami, and it's a great tune, pushes a lot of power, you know, and it gives you the burbles. I did have a JB4 tune before. It was great, I loved it. Didn't give me as much power as I wanted, so that's why I went with the Active Auto Works. JB4 is really nice because you can have like custom maps and set each one. JB4 is an active learner, I'm pretty sure is what it's called. So meaning if you have a charge pipe and a air intake and you add an intercooler, the tune will be able to push more power because it knows you added something else, and it'll allow the car to push more power. That's kind of the same way with the Active Auto Work tune. With the Active Auto Work tune though, you get more horsepower from just the start of it. I got like an off-road downpipe map tune or whatever the heck it was called. I don't even know what it does. That's what one of them is called. I also got a top speed removal. Yeah, I haven't used that yet because I'm not trying to blow my engine. It sounds pretty scary. It's pretty much you can like just go as fast as you want until your engine blows up. Pretty sure. Not trying that anytime soon or ever. There's no roads here that you could do that on. Lucas, if you want to borrow my car and blow my engine, feel free to do that. You might eat the lip and bumper just because this might just buckle right in, but actually it's pretty strong. This one's a lot better. Custom lip, very strong and solid. Look, the whole fucking car moves. Yeah, very sturdy. Okay. So, tune, yeah, Active Auto Work tune, great. Another one I would recommend is a boot mod tune. Boot mod is great. A lot of people in Florida, run Boot Mod and Active AutoWorks. Oh, Cobb? Yeah, no, I haven't. You know what's funny? I get a lot of mixed reviews on Cobb.
So do I.
So many.
For German cars like BMWs and shit?
Not necessarily for mine, but I hear Cobb's either the best or the worst. I've never heard of in between or anything. Super strange. I have downpipes. They're actually custom fabricated. They're not even from a brand. They're just made from the shop I used to go to way back when. They've been running great. They've been working for me ever since. If I had to choose a brand, I get this asked a lot. VRSF downpipe I would get. They're great. I know a lot of people with Beamers that have them. That's pretty good. I don't know if Burger Tuning Motorsports has them. Do you know if they do or not? Burger Tuning, not Burger King. McDonald's Mobile. All right, turbo, here we go. Also, if you want to see the turbo video, I'll also be first link in the description. That's a very, very in-depth detailed video of what I did with carbon cleaning, with intercooler, with the turbo, test pulls, everything. So if you want to check that out, definitely go check it out. The turbo I upgraded to is a Dynon turbo. Look, Vander's here. Oil bypass valve. Let me just tell you, I did a video on the oil bypass valve. Definitely best modification you could do to your car. It makes your oil run super, super cooler, and that's good for your car. Now, obviously, it still runs hot, but it's not hot as where it's bad, where it could turn into like water, because, you know, when you boil your, what? Exactly, you don't boil your oil. Boiled his oral. So now my turbo. A lot of people want to know how my turbo's doing still and everything. Turbo's great, running perfectly fine. Turbo I bought used actually. People don't know this. It was used on another BMW, and the guy blew it. Turbo only had like 2K miles on it. It wasn't even bad at all. So I got a stupid good deal because it was used. But he already did all the breaking in for me, so I didn't even need to break it in. I just put it on my car and. But little backstory on the turbo. The guy worked at BMW and he bought a stock OEM 535 turbo, sent it out to Dynon to get fully built, and what they did was they bored out the inside, made it big O, put in a bigger turbo spool, different bearings, all this stuff. So it was really a really solid turbo, and boom, threw it in. And yeah, so if you guys want to know more about that, like I said, link in description, learn more. Yeah, let's go get some driving clips. Coated in this because I didn't have it before, which is pretty cool. A lot of Beamers come stock with it, but I didn't have it, so now I'm cool. I'll do a 20 gear pull, 20 mile per hour pull first. My fourth gear pulls are also really strong for some reason. My pops are so much louder, it's crazy. Like, before when my turbo was shot, my pops were nowhere near, and now it's like, I love how like people hate it, and then other people just love it. I'm not that obnoxious with it, so it's okay. I literally go after some people might hate it, some people might love it. This guy in a black truck just drove by after I like obnoxiously popped back there. He's just like, he just wants pops?
Give him the pops.
He loves it. What a guy. Almost pooped. It's weird that I can talk to the mic and not look at the camera. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you guys want to see more videos on the BMW, let me know in the comments below. Because like I said, every time on my vlogs, because I've been posting like a lot of vlogs when I've been going away, and then you guys want to see more BMW updates, content, yeah. So let me know now so you guys don't tell me later on so I can post more content for you guys. All right, thank you guys for watching. Peace. Street life.